A month ago, I made a video sharing 13 free fall patterns and you guys loved it. So today we're doing a cozy winter version with 15 free patterns. Okay, so the first pattern is a really cute slip dress with a corset style waist tie. I love this dress. It looks like a princess dress, but it's also super comfortable. It's a mix of girly but casual at the same time kind of dress. And the corset tie is adjustable, so you can decide how tight or loose you want it to be. One of the things I really like about this dress is how versatile it is. You could make it short sleeve for spring, sleeveless for summer, or long sleeve for fall and winter. You could tie the corset at the front or at the back. There's just plenty of different ways to make this dress, and I think making it in a red fabric would be so beautiful. The instructions are really clear. She has a video tutorial on YouTube, so even beginners will be able to make this. Overall, the dress is perfect for layering or any time of the year. Next up is a cozy turtleneck top. This one has drop shoulders and a loose fit, so it feels comfy but still looks nice. The high neck gives it a bit of elegance, and it's definitely a winter slash fall essential that everybody needs in their wardrobe. It's perfect for layering for the cold weather, and it's the kind of top you throw on when it's chilly outside. I think it would be such a cute outfit if you paired it with the dress we talked about in the first pattern, and choosing a calm neutral color like gray, off-white, or black would be nice so you can wear it with almost anything. Overall, it's a great project if you want to start sewing with stretch fabric. Next up is a really simple pair of pajama pants, and honestly, everyone needs a pair like this in their wardrobe. The pants I'm actually wearing right now are made with this pattern, and I think I'm already obsessed. I want to make a bunch more. They're just so comfortable. The fit is relaxed, and it has a nice wide leg silhouette that makes them even comfier. They're so perfect for cold days at home or just any other day. What I like about this pattern is how beginner friendly it is. The construction was actually super simple, just side seam, hem, and the elastic waistband. So even if you're new to sewing pants, you won't feel overwhelmed. I also think these pants can definitely be styled more than just pajamas. If you choose a nicer fabric like something neutral or dark blue to make it look like jeans, they would actually work really well as casual everyday pants. And if you pair it with a simple knit top or even that turtleneck from the last pattern, it will look so cute. Overall, my experience with this pattern was really nice, but I did have one small issue. The pattern didn't include a waistband piece. In the video tutorial, there's a waistband piece, but I couldn't find it. So I just added 1 inch to the top of the pants and did a double fold hem and left a gap for the elastic. Other than that, it's a really easy project. I even made the top I'm wearing to go with it, so it becomes a cute little pajama set with some matching hair accessories, which we'll talk about in a minute. But yeah, for pattern number 3, this is it. Next up is a matching pajama top to go with the pants. And this one is honestly such a cute addition if you want to turn your pants into a full pajama set, perfect for winter nights or just staying warm around the house. I did want to make the top to go with the pants, but I didn't feel confident since it has a collar and buttonholes, so it's a great project for an advanced beginner. And just like the pants, the instructions for this is really clear. Both of them are in one video tutorial, So it's a nice project if you want something cozy, simple, and practical for winter. This one is a super cute little hair bow. It's such a fun little project. You only need some fabric scraps and they only take about 10 minutes to make. I love making these so I can have matching hair accessories with my outfits. I had to make hair bows and a scrunchie with my pajama set, and it turned out so adorable. The pattern has three different sizes: extra small, small, or medium, and step-by-step video tutorial makes it easy to follow along. So even if it's your first time making hair bows, you will end up with something cute and wearable. This one is a super simple sleeping mask. It's perfect for cozy winter nights or for anyone who loves self-care things. It's a great quick beginner project because the construction is straightforward, a few stitches and an elastic band, and that's it, you're done. Plus, there's a step-by-step video tutorial so you won't feel lost at all. Also, imagine pairing the sleeping mask with a cozy pair of pajamas like the pajama pants and shirt we talked about earlier. It will look so cute. Next up is a baby doll dress. I love how easy it is to make, but still looks cute. The fit is relaxed with a gathered waist, so it feels really comfy and flowy, perfect for winter layering or just casual days at home. What I like about this pattern is that it's beginner friendly, plus it gives you a chance to practice things like gathering and making dresses. You can pick a lightweight woven fabric for a soft, breezy look. I also think this dress is so versatile. You could wear it alone with tights and boots or add a turtleneck on top and you would have this cozy winter outfit. Overall, it's a great project if you want a relaxed, cute dress that's simple to make but still feels like something you would actually wear outside. This next piece is a cardigan that's perfect for layering on chilly days. It has a relaxed shape so it feels easy to throw on over anything. For example, like one of the dresses we talked about earlier. What's nice about this one is that it gives you a little practice with knit fabrics without being intimidating. The pattern comes with written instruction and a video tutorial, so you can follow whichever one works best for you. You can make it in a soft neutral color to match everything in your wardrobe, or pick a bright color to add a fun pop to a winter outfit, just like the one she wears in the picture. Overall, this cardigan is cozy, versatile, and one of those easy to wear pieces. This next one is a structured skirt with pockets and an invisible zipper. It's a more advanced beginner project, but instructions are really clear and there's a full video tutorial to guide you. What's great about this skirt is how versatile it is. You could wear it with a cozy turtleneck and a coat for winter. The fabric you choose really makes a difference in this project. You will need something that will hold its shape. So be really careful with what fabric you pick with this pattern. Overall, it's a project that's stylish, wearable, and perfect if you want to practice new skills while making something you will actually wear. We have a classic sweatshirt pattern that's perfect for staying warm. It has a relaxed fit so it feels comfortable without being too baggy. I love that you can style it in so many ways. wear it with the skirt pattern for a casual look, or pair it with jeans for a cozy weekend outfit, or even with a dress. The instructions are written only, which might be a challenge for visual learners that like to follow a video tutorial, but it's definitely doable. Overall, it's a simple, versatile, and comfortable piece for your winter wardrobe. This shoulder bag pattern is honestly my favorite one out of all of the patterns. It's definitely a really useful project too. The straps for this bag is adjustable so you can wear it as a shoulder bag or a crossbody. It would even look so cute as a quilted shoulder bag. I would definitely make a quilted version of this bag for a cozy winter look. There is even a full step-by-step video tutorial so you can watch and follow along if you need help with the zipper or the lining. Okay, this next piece is a knit top, and it's one of those patterns I think you will really enjoy. The top has these beautiful sleeves. You can do long cuffs or leave them loose for a soft, flowy sleeve. I love that you get three different sleeves options, and the neckline is a V-neck, making it look more special than a basic knit top. It's fitted at the bust and then relaxes gently down through the waist, which makes it flattering but still easy to wear. If you're ready to work with knit fabrics, this top is a really good starting point. Not too simple, but not too tricky either. Next up is a pair of wide trousers that feel like a skirt, but it's actually like pants, which makes them comfy but also kind of dramatic when you walk. And honestly, I really like the idea of pants and skirt mixed into one garment. It gives you the comfort of pants but the look of a flowy skirt, which just feels so fun and different from usual pants. These aren't tight anywhere, the roomy legs give you so much freedom, and they look great in lightweight fabrics that have drape. You can also choose the length you want, cropped or long, depending on your style. And there's a clear video tutorial, so you can follow along if you prefer watching instead of reading instructions. Overall, it's a clever, comfy piece that stands out without being complicated, and it's easy to style for winter with a cozy top or a coat over it. Here's a hoodie pattern that's perfect for winter or just staying warm at home. It's made for knit fabrics, so it feels soft and stretchy, and it's one of those pieces you can throw on anytime and instantly feel comfortable. One thing I really like about this pattern is how customizable it is. You actually have the option to add darts if you want something more fitted. So you can basically choose the shape that feels best for you. It also comes with a classic kangaroo pocket in the front, which just makes the hoodie feel extra cozy. You can keep it simple or make it longer if you want a more oversized hoodie kind of dress. The instructions are easy to follow, and there's a full video tutorial, so it's beginner friendly even though it looks more advanced. Overall, it's a warm, comfy project that will probably be used a lot once you make it. If you want a simple knit top that's easy to make and super wearable, this is a great pattern to start with. It's a relaxed knit top, a perfect everyday essential. You can make it with either long sleeves or short sleeves, depending on how cozy or cool you want it. The fit is relaxed but not baggy. And for winter, I imagine this in a neutral color paired with jeans or a long skirt, and you would immediately have a cute winter outfit. If you want more free patterns, I already made a fall version. I'll leave it in the description, and I will be doing this for every season. So a spring and summer edition will be coming in the next few months. Stay tuned for that. And yeah, all the patterns and tutorials I mentioned today are also linked in the description so you can easily find everything. And last but not least, I want you to do me a little favor and comment a snowflake or a white heart emoji so I would know people actually watch my videos until the end. And yeah, that's it. Bye.